Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on AnubhavTrainings.com. In this series of videos, we are learning about SAP Generative AI Hub grounding capability along with building code-based AI agent. In the last episode, we have learned about how to use CrewAI and Light LLM to create a code-based AI agent for social surveys. In our today's session, we are going to integrate a AI workflow as a tool into the AI agent. In this session, you will see how can we combine the concepts of the AI workflow and the AI agent that can access external knowledge sources through the custom tools. It will demonstrate a full potential of agentic AI by equipping the agent with ability to retrieve domain specific information on demand, and that decision will be taken by AI agent itself. So as you saw in the diagram earlier, we have already implemented the AI agent, but now we are going to integrate this vector database based AI workflow tool as a tool into the agentic AI solution. So we will see how to create the custom agent tool, building the custom agent tool that wraps the document grounding service, making it accessible to our AI agent, enable the tool-based reasoning, which will allow agent to decide when and how to use tool based on the user's query. And then the agent will be able to call our RAG pipeline, which is retrieval augmented generation with agentic workflows for more accurate and knowledge grounded response. We will build this end-to-end solution scenario where the complete system, the agent, and the RAG pipeline, which is using the grounding and orchestration service, work together and in a autonomous way. So let's get started. So to be able to implement that, I'm going to head over back to my best tool. I will copy the existing agent file and let's call it as agent self. So this will now be able to use our tool or the workflow. So let's call it as tool only. So first of all, we are going to import the tools library from Python from the Crew AI for the change. The second change is adding all the new dependencies related to SAP Gen AI Hub. So we can just add it here, the new agentic AI related dependencies from Gen AI Hub for data repository, retrieval search input, and retrieval API client. Then we will put our data repository ID, which we have taken it from here. So let's integrate that as well. And my next step will be to implement the tool itself. So to be able to implement the tool in Python, we will utilize a special annotation. So what this tool does, the tool will help the agentic AI solution to sometime redirect the calls for reg response. So it accept user question as input, usage the reg API client from Gen AI Cloud SDK. So we will then user will basically pass a input. It the agentic AI solution will use our tool. It will configure the search filter to query vector database and return the chunks. So we will limit it to up to 2 chunks, and then it will provide the grounded information to the agent. So this is the tool. Call grounding service is the name of the tool I'm defining with this annotation, and it will just use the retrieval API client to reduce my chunk size to 2 and call the our reg pipeline with data repository ID. And once it retrieves, it will have the input, and we will search based on that input the reg response. The reg response comes back, and this dictionary of the reg response goes output back to the agent. Agent will then do the deep thinking and then retrieve and provide the final result. So the benefit of this solution is more accurate response, which includes the grounded results. Also, the information comes from current knowledge base. in a human readable format. Answers can be traced back to source document as well, and it retrieves Hamburg specific information, and it all works autonomously. That's the best part of agentic AI solution. Now, then when we are defining the agent, we just inculcate this tool along with the other information what we have. Perfect. That's it. My solution is now fully ready with an additional tool where we are leveraging the grounding capability. So we can come back and now we can go ahead and do the testing. So let's execute Python space agent underscore tool dot py, and it will then ask me question like last time, but this time it will also leverage our tool, which is going to present the grounding response from the document. So let me write, I am 54-year-old, living in Berlin, lost the job, suggest me suggest me for help, and nearby uh, help center for food and medicine support. So you can see this is the part of the question which will help agent to make a call to our grounded document or utilize the tool, because that document has the information about all the help centers, yes, in Germany. So you can see agent has started, and agent has made a call to the tool, as you can see, and it has retrieved some of the information specifically for the welfare of the society and the citizens of Germany, because I have given the city as Berlin. Yeah, so it has made a call and it has retrieved the chunk. You can see it already, and then it has prepared the final result here, the basic social welfare from the same document, and then it is also telling me all the benefits and it has completed the task. Yes, so it will also give me all the necessary information from the document itself. So this is the power of leveraging the AI agent along with the tool. It has power to do thinking, deep reasoning, and be able to make a call to different tools for getting me the right answers specific to my query. Great. So that comes to the end of this episode. If you want the complete source code of this session and this training, you can just comment on this video, amazing video and AI agent, and we will be sharing the complete source code with all of you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. With that, thank you so much for watching this video with me today. If you feel this content is helping you, kindly subscribe and share this channel in the WhatsApp group of your company teams. And I hope to see you in my next episode. Happy learning. Till then, goodbye and see you again.